Hello, welcome to Congzhou Machinery. With three world-class manufacturing plants in the Indian subcontinent, we are amongst the leading manufacturers of automatic 3, 5, 7-ply production line in Asia. Since its inception in the year 2012, Congzhou Machinery, an ISO 9001 certified company, has seen a vast growth over the years, and it is not just because of the quality products we produce, but also the excellent services we offer. Our experience and knowledge in the corrugated packaging industry makes us the most distinguished machine manufacturers in India. With state-of-the-art manufacturing unit, we are able to cater to all modern corrugators throughout the globe. Our best-in-class workshop with advanced machinery and the largest manufacturing plant space assures enormous inventory readily available for all. Our research and development team is constantly working to come up with the latest new and improved machine designs to produce the most efficient and sophisticated machinery. With more than 80 plus assembly engineers and 60 plus service training engineers, Congzhou Machinery provides excellent after-sales services as well. We provide complete inline spare solutions with integrated ERP system. Over the years, Congzhou Machinery has successfully set up more than 80 automatic corrugated board making plants within the country, as well as in foreign countries. We are highly specialized in production of automatic corrugated board making plants and automatic board processing of finishing machines. Our list of customers include countries like Maldives, Nigeria, Sri Lanka, Angola, Kenya, Nepal, Bangladesh, United Arab Emirates, Egypt, Oman, Qatar, and India. You are welcome to visit our manufacturing unit. Thank you.